Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we have something special. I found this old CA77 Honda 305 side cover at a buddy's place. I found this and I said, hey, what do you want for it? Because I've got big plans. Who doesn't have plans for a side cover that says 305 Honda that was owned by Sir Rock? And look at this. This is my favorite. This is the reason why I had to have it. You see that switch right there? See that switch right there? Sir Rock knew how to do it. So imagine you had the coolest side cover ever, and you want to show it off, not just on your bike, but maybe in the interior of your house. So what happens if we join this, a battery, and an LED light? Because guess what? We've already got a switch. It's begging to be a lamp. So my original plan was to stop by Goodwill and buy a cheap lamp and marry the two, and that would make it a stand-on lamp, right? Still using that switch, but the bad thing is that side. So what do we do with that side? And I thought about it, and I don't want to do something that I've got to have a cable, a wire hanging all the way down to the floor to then plug in. So I thought, I've got some LED lights. These are turn signals that fit on forks. I've got these, and I've got a battery. It already has the switch, so we can make a 12-volt powered lamp that I can then give to one of my grandkids. I'd just win just having this hang on their wall. So let's get to work. Okay, the first thing I want to do is, since I want to clean this thing, so I want to remove my switch so I don't mess it up, because I don't want to buy anything for this project. I think I can do it with everything I have here and go from there. So let's save that, because that's high dollar and I don't want to spend any money. If it works, we don't know. And then we're going to use some of this Dawn Power Wash. Why? Because if it's good enough for the ducks, it's good enough for us. I'm curious as to what this thing's going to look like. Whoever Sir Rock is, I'm digging it. I need to come up with a cool nickname. Let me know down below if you got a cool nickname. Or maybe not a cool nickname, just a nickname. Let me know what it is. We'll determine whether it's cool. All right. Let's get our little... I do have a bucket of water here and just a little toothbrush, because this thing is so valuable. It's like restoring fine antiquities. Boy, you don't ever get to use that in a sentence. This has been in my buddy's attic for decades. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, what do you want for it? Because it's something I have to have. Oh, it's cleaning up. Sir Rock. Yes, please. Just imagine Sir Rock in the late 60s, early 70s on his 305 Dream, just killing it with the ladies. Come on, let's be honest. If you rock a name Sir Rock, you are crushing it. I don't know if I should be cleaning this with a toothbrush. I don't know if I should be giving it the care and concern, but I think it deserves it. Let's rinse it off. In this bucket. Why? 'Cause it's what I have. Sir Rock is going to have just the right amount of old-time patina on it. Well, he did a pretty good job making that hole. This thing is awesome. I don't know about you guys. Let me know if I'm crazy for digging something like this, but I think it's pretty nuts. Give it a good cleaning. That is awesome. Whoever lettered that did a great job. I wish I could find out the story. Hey, if you know Sir Rock, go ahead and hit me up in the comments or email me, motorcyclerewind@gmail.com, because I want to know his story. Or, yeah, I guess it's a his. I was going to say hers, but it's a Sir. It would be, you know, Princess Rock? What's a Sir? Duchess? What's the equivalent to a Sir in the is it Siri? No. In the, looky there, boy. That is awesome. Guys, this is awesome. Like I said, I don't know who Sir Rock is, but boy, I'd love to meet him. And considering they got a vodka named after him, spelled differently, but still have it. But no, that is, shoot. I don't even think I need any more cleaner. I think it's good just like that. As it dries, it's going to be getting better. It's still a little shiny, but as it's drying, it's starting to go away. I think it's going to be awesome. Let me clean up this switch. Okay, let's get to this switch. Again, a little baby switch. We may put a clean towel down in just a second. No, we're not going to put a clean towel. We're just going to flip it over. Might as well clean it just because I'm trying to get it in my grandkids. One of my grandkids. I'm going to have to see which one's going to let me do it. I got to, you know, see who will let me hang that on the wall and have a yellow light. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, next step is just jamming this switch back in the hole. There we go. I guess I should have checked to see if it worked, but we'll find out in just a hot second. Okay, I'm going to take these two lights. Since I already have a hole right here, I want to stick them right there. I'm going to trim this. These lights are designed to wrap around a fork tube. So I've had them on the wall for a while. So we're going to use them to just stick right here. They're yellow, so the lights are yellow. I'm just going to trim off this bit here and this bit right on the other side, right here. So let's do that real quick. And it's got 3M tape underneath, so they're just going to stick right up underneath it. Now, I just remembered I've got these, which are all different colors, but they're just small LEDs, orange, whatever color that is. Here it should say here, brown, warm white. Yellow should be red, green, blue, and white. So I got options now. I could do a bunch of little LEDs, these guys, underneath here. I'm gonna do proof of concept right here with this, and then we may hot rod it later. We can always edit it. We're gonna start with this. Yeah, let me just snip these. Yeah, we can always do version 2.0. This is version 1.0, so let's just get this thing done. Okay, that's that one. Let's get this one. And they even have one more of these. I'm never going to use these. So let's make sure this is really clean, then stick it up there. Let me dry this really good. I think I figured out exactly where I'm going to put them. It's still wet from cleaning it. Okay, I think I'm going to put one here facing, this would face the wall, and then this one right next to it, and that's going to face the ground. So you won't be able to see them from the side, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to do this right here. That guy, nice and tight right there. Boy, if I can do this, and then the other one right here. See if I can get this. First thing you do today is remove this cover. Okay. And this one, make sure your wires go the same way when you're building your lamp out of your Sir Rock 305. That's going to feed up right there. Should make it to my battery. Good, good, good. Let me see if I can find some heat shrink to go on that. Okay, I have a battery down here, and just the lights are plugged in. Just jumper wire just to test it, just so you can see what it looks like. And that's our light. Stay with me. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna run to Home Depot and get a smaller version, a smaller 12-volt battery that'll fit in this, in here. And then we're gonna finish up. We'll wire in our switch. So there you go. It's plugged in, it's working. One thing I would like to do, and I may do down the line, it's wider here than it is up top, so it tilts back, tilts away from you. I'd rather it either sit flat or come down this way, so we may just zip some of this off, and maybe to this rib right here, just cut that off, draw a line, and peel that down. And then that way it would sit more like that. And I think I would like that better. Just if it's gonna hang on the wall. I don't know, let me know what you think. I don't mind it like this. The only problem is you have to hang it low enough so you can actually read this. So if we hang it up here, you see how it just, you can still read it obviously, but it runs away from you as opposed to it being like that. It would look so much better if it looked like that. So we may do some, may get the grinder out and do some tweaking to it. As of right now, I think it's pretty cool if it hangs down low. It hangs down low. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I also just realized that this is a 20-volt battery, so we won't run this anymore. We know it works, and we know it comes on and off. So with a 12-volt, it won't be quite as bright, but it'll still function the way it should. My battery source, I ordered it. It should be here tomorrow. So we should be able to plug that in because it's hot from running it with this 20-volt battery. So, but pretty cool though. So guys, let me know what you think about our little lamp project that we just came up with. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's kind of fun. Let me know what you would do different with regards to it. And who knows, maybe we'll do it. Maybe we'll add those. My wife said it'd be great if this lit up. That's just way too much work for us to get into. We could maybe sneak now that I'm just thinking about it, we may be able to sneak one of these LEDs or a couple of them underneath this, so it gives us some light that shines on the top of it. I don't know, we got options. But we definitely could put a little LED light under there. But a fun little project. And still, I'd love to meet this Sir Rock guy, but we're gonna keep him, he's gonna live on. Guys, let me know what you think about our cool little lamp. I think it's pretty awesome. And I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, remember, check out our eBay store. We upload brand new items every single Tuesday. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.
Up in an attic underneath the dust, old Honda parts covered up with rust. Black side cover with a story to tell. White and blue letters still wearing well. It said 305 and Sir Rock 2. Had a little switch somebody wired right through. Don't know where it came from, don't know where it's been. But I knew right then we'd make it shine again. Turn on the light for Ophir Rock. Flip that switch and let it shine. From a Honda dream to the garage wall, giving that old part one more ride. We ain't painting over yesterday, we're gonna leave those scars just right. Bob's your uncle, look what we made. Sir Rock shining tonight. Thought I'd find a lamp at the old Goodwill. Cut it all apart with a grinder and drill. When I stood there thinking, why all that? We got everything we need right where we're at. Found some LEDs buried on the shelf. Little bit of wire, we'll do it ourselves. signals weren't made for this. But that's never stopped motorcycle rewind, yeah. Turn on the light for old Ciroc. Flip that switch and let it shine. From a Honda Dream to the garage wall, giving that old park one more ride. We ain't painting over yesterday, we're gonna leave those scars just right. Bob's your uncle, look what we made. Ciroc shining tonight. Maybe that name meant something then. Maybe we'll never know where it's been. But some things don't need to look brand new to deserve another life or two. Leave the paint, leave every line. Just give that old story a little life. Turn on the light for old Ciroc. Fit that switch one more time. Old Honda Dream hanging on the wall, still got a little life inside. We ain't painting over yesterday, we're gonna let that history shine. Bob's your uncle's job well done. Ciroc rise tonight. Ciroc rise tonight. Yeah, Ciroc still shining bright.